The new BJP Chief Minister of Haryana, Nayaab Singh Saini, faces the risk of losing power in just 2 months into his term. Three independent MLAs, Sombir Sangwan, Randhir Singh Golan and Dharmapal Gondar, withdrew their support for the BJP government and switched allegiance to the Congress. This move was made in the presence of Haryana Congress President Chaudhry Udaiban and the leader of the opposition in the Haryana State Assembly, Bhupender Singh Hooda. Now, this certainly adds pressure on the BJP given only 6 months are left for the assembly elections in Haryana, because they even ended their alliance with the Jan Nayak Janata Party in March due to strained relations. On the other hand, the opposition Congress and the JJP could struggle to present a united front because of their varying priorities. While JJP chief Dushyant Chautala pushes for a floor test, believing it could topple the BJP government, the Congress is pushing for President's rule and aims to fast-track the assembly election, which is still 6 months away. Dushyant Chautala has offered outside support to the Congress to topple the BJP government.
2 महीने पहले जो सरकार बनी थी, आज वो अल्पमत में चली गई है क्योंकि उनको सपोर्ट करने वाले 2 MLAs, एक भारतीय जनता पार्टी का, एक निर्दलीय ने इस्तीफा दे दी और 3 MLAs इंडिपेंडेंट जो सपोर्ट कर रहे थे उनने अपना सपोर्ट विड्रॉ कर लिया गवर्नमेंट से, गवर्नर को लिख दिया। जननायक जनता पार्टी ने खुल के कहा है कि अगर इस सरकार के खिलाफ अविश्वास प्रस्ताव आता है तो हम बाहर से उसका पूरा समर्थन करेंगे और इसके लिए महामहिम राज्यपाल को लिखित तौर पर भी हमने भेजा है और ये मांग करी है कि संविधान के अनुसार ये पावर महामहिम के पास है कि वो फ्लोर टेस्ट के लिए आदेश सरकार को दे और सेशन बुलाकर फ्लोर टेस्ट कराए।
Meanwhile, the Haryana Chief Minister has downplayed the threat to his government.
देखिए, अभी मेरे ख्याल से 15-20 दिन हुए हैं। 15-20 दिन ये कांग्रेस के लोग ही अविश्वास प्रस्ताव लेकर के आए थे। पहले विधानसभा में लेकर के आए और फिर जब मैंने विधानसभा में विश्वास मत हासिल किया, 1 महीने का भी कम समय है और अब जब समय आएगा, क्योंकि अब हाउस चलेगा, हाउस के अंदर जब बात होगी तो ज़रूर उसको पूरा करेंगे, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं। इनको जल्दी लग रही है, मेरे ख्याल से ज़्यादा जल्दी लग रही है, थोड़ी मेरे ख्याल से जल्दी में है। उसको लोकसभा का चुनाव देखना चाहिए, क्या स्थिति है क्या नहीं। हमारे साथ जन का विश्वास भी है, पूरा विश्वास है, लोगों का भी विश्वास है। कांग्रेस जन का विश्वास खो चुकी है और वो भी खो चुके हैं।
The 90-member Haryana Assembly currently has 88 members. The majority mark required in Haryana Assembly is 45 seats. BJP's strength currently stands at 43 after losing the support of the 3 independent MLAs in question. The Congress holds 31 MLAs and with support from a lone MLA from the Indian National Lokdal Party and the addition of the 3 independent MLAs who have jumped ship, their total goes up to 35. Additionally, the JJP has offered its support with 10 MLAs. Put together, the opposition can reach the majority mark of 45. However, it's uncertain if they can secure this support, as BJP sources claim that 4 MLAs from the JJP are in touch with them and have assured support. Despite calls for a no-confidence motion and defections, toppling the BJP government appears challenging for the opposition. The BJP's position seems to be on the wane at a crucial time. Haryana is witnessing a political potboiler just days before the Lok Sabha polls, and by the looks of it, BJP's vulnerability has been exposed and it's now a battle for the BJP to sustain its government, with the Congress looking to take the longer route by advancing the assembly elections. Can Congress take advantage of the rift between BJP and JJP to grab power in Haryana? Or will BJP survive the challenge?